In this tutorial, we're going to actually put together searching and reporting all in one package here. We're actually going to save some searches, and we're going to use report templates, and I'll show you the overall power of the program itself. I'm going to start with a very simple search. I need all games published by Parker Brothers. So let's choose from our list here. That's the box right next to the list, Parker Brothers. I click OK. And the next thing we'll do, we're going to click Save this search. And I'm going to give it a name of Parker Brothers Games. From here now, I can either click Find or I can click Create Report. If I click Create Report, if I have any templates created, it will ask me if I want to use a report template. Now, if you watched the previous tutorial, then you know all about creating report templates. In this case, though, I'm going to go ahead and say no, and it will bring up all of my Parker Brothers games. And let me get this into view here. So, not only can I take search results and actually show them within the application, but I can also create reports quickly off of it. And let's say, for instance, that I want to actually create a Parker Brothers report layout template for the future. I can go into Advanced Printing and Reporting. Let's change the title to Parker Brothers Report. I'll go ahead and keep the 4 columns, and I'll choose a color scheme. Let's do Home Depot. And let's choose some important fields here. Title, subtitle. Let's get rid of author. I'll get rid of the topic and category. I'll get rid of the primary mechanic. And I really don't care about the condition or the actual grades. And I'll leave the prices on there, and owner doesn't matter. So I'll stick myself here with about 12 or so fields that'll make up the Parker Brothers report. Leave it as 4 columns with Home Depot, and I'll leave pictures there as well. Okay, and I don't really care if it's 1 item per page. Doesn't really matter. And the next thing I'll do is I can save it as a template. I'll call it Parker Brothers Report Layout, meaning that I know on this layout that I'm only going to be showing these fields here, 4 columns, Home Depot style. Click OK. The template gets saved. And for now, I'm just going to go ahead and click Cancel because the template's saved. I don't need to show the report right now, and I'll just go ahead and click Exit. Now, I have saved a search named Parker Brothers. So what I can do now is I can click Search and go to Save Searches. This search is titled Parker Brothers Games, and now I have options here. I can just display the search results. Let's do that. There are 3 items from Parker Brothers in my collection right now. Let's go back to Save Searches. Let's choose Parker Brothers again. I can create a report. If I click Create a Report, since I have templates created already for reports, it will ask me if I want to use one. Let's say yes this time, and this time let's choose Parker Brothers Report Layout from the list. Click OK, and voila, as you can see, the Home Depot orange and brown colors. But what I did was I created a search earlier, I saved it, created this layout for reporting, saved it, and put the 2 together. So this report basically shows Parker Brothers games based on the fields I selected. So if I scroll down, here's Payday, and down at the bottom here, here's Sorry. So you see that the program has very powerful reporting features along with search features. So you can create a report from any search you do. And you can actually save both the report layout, and you can actually save the search itself, and then in the end put it all together to create quick reports on the fly.